Hello everyone. So today one more tip that I just wanted to tell you, right? So you might be confusing what to write here, update or do update. Sometimes we write update and sometimes we write do update, right? It sometimes it depends on the requirement. So the simple and small tip, and you might be using in few of the areas. Okay, this tip. So for example, when you have to write do update is when you have any custom table. Okay, let's say if I have some custom tables, so other than standard tables, if we have any custom tables, you have to use do update method. Okay, so if you have the standard table like any cast table or whatever table with whatever the standard tables is there, at that point of time you can use the update method to update the records. Okay, so yeah, that's so simple. Just while updating, let me just repeat it. Do update is mostly used to update the custom tables, and update method is used to update the standard method record. I mean standard table records. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.